Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Morningstar MC6. This compact MIDI controller is a game changer for guitarists, offering 6 customizable foot switches to manage your effects and amps. You can connect it to a wide range of devices using its MIDI and USB ports. We'll explore how to set it up and unlock its full potential, making your live performances and studio sessions smoother than ever. Getting started with your MC6 is straightforward. First, connect it to your computer using a standard USB cable to access the editor. Then, use MIDI cables to link your pedals, multi-effects units, and amplifiers. Remember to power the MC6 with a 9-volt DC power supply. Once everything is connected, ensure your devices are recognized and you're ready to configure your presets. The real power of the MC6 lies in its customization. You can assign specific MIDI messages to each of the 6 foot switches, controlling various parameters on your connected gear. Organize your sounds into different banks, perfect for switching between songs or entire sets. The dedicated editor software makes this process incredibly intuitive, allowing you to save and load your custom settings with ease. Beyond the basics, the MC6 offers advanced features to elevate your control. Integrate an expression pedal for dynamic real-time adjustments to effects like wah or volume. You can also use tap tempo and control looper functions directly from the unit. Chain multiple MIDI commands to a single foot switch for complex actions. Always keep your firmware updated to access the latest features and enhancements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.